Mowgli is obsessed with the foot monster. I've got my foot under the bed. What is that? Oh, now Lyle's getting in on the action. Oh, you got chicken. Ah, chicken. You love that. Oh, Lyle likes chicken too. Both of you like chicken. Uh-oh. Chicken's not going to last much longer. Don't pull his teeth out. Alright, give me. Hey. Off. 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 Mowgli? It's my chicken now. Off. This is really important because they gotta learn that everything is mine. Good boy. Good boys. Okay, here. Now you can have chicken. Lyle, you don't want chicken anymore? I guess not.